1MBI300-120 by USComponent.com. The Fuji 1MBI300-120 is a high-performance IGBT, insulated gate bipolar transistor module, designed for demanding industrial applications. It features a maximum collector-emitter voltage of 1200 V and a continuous collector current rating of 300 A, making it suitable for high-power applications such as motor drives, inverters, and power supplies. The module's low saturation voltage and high-speed switching capabilities enhance efficiency and performance in power conversion systems. With its robust construction and reliable thermal management, the 1MBI300-120 offers durability and long-term stability. Its advanced design ensures optimal performance in both standard and high-temperature environments, providing versatility and dependability. Ready to buy 1MBI300-120? Please contact sales@uscomponent.com.